Question 451. Can you discuss a recent innovation or improvement you introduced in Azure DevOps processes that had a positive impact on project outcomes? In a recent project, I introduced a CI/CD pipeline optimization strategy that reduced deployment times by 30% and increased release frequency. By implementing parallel testing, caching mechanisms, and infrastructure as code practices, I enhanced the efficiency, reliability, and scalability of Azure DevOps processes, resulting in improved project outcomes and customer satisfaction. Question 452. How would you set up a continuous integration pipeline using Azure DevOps for a .NET Core application? I would create a new build pipeline in Azure DevOps, configure it to pull the source code from the repository, restore dependencies, build the solution, run unit tests, and publish artifacts for deployment. Question 453. What are the benefits of using infrastructure as code, IAC, in Azure DevOps? IAC allows for automated provisioning and management of infrastructure resources in Azure using code, ensuring consistency, repeatability, and version control. It enhances scalability and reduces manual errors. Question 454. How do you ensure security best practices are followed in Azure DevOps pipelines? I implement secure coding practices, scan for vulnerabilities in dependencies, use secrets management, enable multi-factor authentication, and restrict access controls to sensitive resources in Azure DevOps. Question 455. Can you explain the difference between Azure DevOps boards, repos, pipelines, and artifacts? Azure DevOps boards is for work item tracking, repos for source code management, pipelines for CI/CD, and artifacts for package management. Each serves a specific purpose in the software development lifecycle. Question 456. How would you deploy a multi-tier application with Azure DevOps? I would create separate release pipelines for each tier, front-end, back-end, database, configure dependencies between them, define deployment triggers, and promote releases across environments using Azure DevOps. Question 457. What is blue-green deployment, and how can it be implemented in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployment is a deployment strategy where two identical production environments, blue and green, are maintained, with only one serving live traffic at a time. This can be achieved in Azure DevOps by swapping deployment slots. Question 458. How would you optimize Azure DevOps pipelines for faster build and deployment times? I would parallelize tasks, optimize dependencies, cache packages, use incremental builds, leverage build agents with higher specifications, and monitor pipeline performance to identify bottlenecks for improvement. Question 459. What are the key considerations for designing a secure Azure DevOps architecture? Implementing role-based access control, encrypting sensitive data, using secure coding practices, enabling audit logging, regularly updating software dependencies, and performing security assessments are crucial for a secure Azure DevOps architecture. Question 460. How do you handle version control and branching strategies in Azure DevOps repos? I follow Git best practices, create feature branches for new development, use pull requests for code review and merging, implement branching strategies like Git flow, and ensure proper versioning of code in Azure DevOps repos. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.